Hey guys, how's it going? This is going to be a super short video. All I'm doing today is replacing these super long sway bar end links with these right here. Prothane polyurethane rear sway bar end links. If I don't lose all the pieces to it, but yeah, you guys can see the length difference there from the threaded end. To the bolt head in there. And like I said, it's super simple. I've already got this one loose. It's 13 millimeters, and once I break the other one loose, I'm gonna be able to lower this sway bar down and get it lined up with the new mounts. But if I can't get it to swing down, all I'm gonna have to do, and all you need to do, is just back these bolts out right here. But I don't think I'm gonna have to. But I'm gonna go over there and get the impact and the wrench started on that side. Let's just show you exactly what you do. So like I said, 13 on top and 13 on the bottom. There it is. Yeah. Where are you? Good Lord. Took long enough. But yeah, just get that started out there. Impact on top, which I'm gonna have to use I'm gonna have to go grab a swivel socket, because this is not gonna work. If you even try temping this, you want to strip it out, or you can probably use another wrench, but why when you have an impact? So I'm gonna go grab that swivel socket, I'm gonna go back these out, and we'll have at it again. And so yeah, just loosen it up. It's a long freaking bolt. There we go. Yeah, see, this thing can bend down now. I have to go on the other side and pull this side down. I try to get it kind of lined up for the new ones, because they are a lot shorter. And another reason you do this is when you lower a car with coilovers, this right here will help keep the stress off your sway bar and from breaking your stock sized sway bar end links, because they're way too long. So this is just kind of preventative maintenance on your sway bar end links. I think I paid $30 for these off Modern Performance, which is definitely worth it. So I'm gonna go get those started in and tighten them up, and I'll show you guys the end product. And this is how it will look when you have it put together. And yeah, your sway bar will just pull down. You don't have to loosen anything else up. Just remove your old end links, and these will go right in. Which I have this one loosened right now. I'm not going to tighten it yet until I get the other side. But I'm going to show you how these bushings stack up. Okay, so basically this is going to be the top end going down, just like this. So what you want to do is set that down like that right there, and get these washers. They have like little concave sides on them. This is the side that you want the bushing to sit into. So this will go in at the bottom. Let's see if I can do this. There we go. It'll go like that. And this bushing will go down just like that. As you can see how it's going to drop in and rest inside the sway bar. So now what you want to do is get another one. Drop it down like that. Another washer. Concave side goes in first. Lays on top just like that. Spacer. Drop down like that. And then, well, actually, once you have this sitting on top of the sway bar right here, you put this stuff in from underneath, just like how it's set up right now. Sway bar goes right here. Pretend my finger's a sway bar. And that's exactly how you will install it. So, I'm gonna have to back these back off, you know, to get them back on, but this is the general setup. And you got 2 more washers, and you have brand new hardware all the way around. This is a nylon locking nut. It's pretty nice. So yeah, that's how you install it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, and then I'm gonna show you how it is on the car. So what I do is I pull the bolt back, slide the spacer and the bushing and washer assembly on. Let's see if I can get my hand to twist around. Well, essentially it's what you do. I can't do it with one hand, but that's exactly how it goes together. There you go. The last little bit of the hardware. I have this piece. That will go on right there. We'll put this on next. Washer, nut. That's exactly how yours should look. And then now we're just going to tighten them down. And it's going to draw the sway bar down right into place. And we'll put the wheels back on and you'll be good to go. Okay, so the Prothane kit hardware is a 15mm. And unfortunately I do not have a 15mm swivel socket. For some reason the Harbor Freight kit goes from 14 straight to 16, so yeah, 15mm. I actually found a better combination. Short weld, a ratchet, and I have a deep weld, a long extension, impact both 15 millimeters again, and I'm gonna torque it down. Boom. Driver's side. Passenger side. There's the part number 19-405-BL. End link set 3 1/4 inch, whatever length that is. Prothane high performance. That's her. Much rather replace those sway bar links than this right here. Anyway, thanks for watching.